Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix and resolve system error 5 has occurred. Access is denied in Windows 11 or 10. So guys, to resolve this problem, all thing you have to do just open run command as administrator and try again. So click on search or start and type here command prompt or just type cmd. Now right click on and run as administrator. Also guys, you can run as administrator by clicking here. Then click on yes. Now apply the command which you want to run on CMD. So this time you will not get the error. So same idea, just you open as administrator. So thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.